Hi, here we have Arun drove from his home to his hostel at 60 miles per hour. While returning home, he drove halfway along the same route at a speed of 25 miles per hour and then took a bypass road which increased his driving distance by 5 miles but also allowed him to drive at 50 miles per hour. So while returning he was coming at 25, but due to bypass he gets the remaining half, he travels at higher speed of 50 miles per hour. Now, if his return journey took 30 minutes more than his onward journey, then the total distance traveled by him is how much? Okay, so let's start. Let's take, this is home to hostel. Let's say the total distance from home to hostel is 2d kilometers or 2d miles rather, since speed is in miles per hour, so let's take it as miles. 2d miles. So time taken while going from home to hostel is 2d, the distance, divided by speed, which is 60. So this is d by 30 hours. This is the time taken to go from home to hostel. Now what about time taken to go from hostel to home? Now this is divided in two parts. The first half of the journey he is traveling at 25 miles per hour and the next half is through a bypass road. The first half is d miles. The second half, since he takes a bypass, the distance increases by 5 miles. So the distance becomes d plus 5 miles, but the speed for the next half becomes 50 miles per hour. So the time taken to go from hostel to home will be the time for this part plus the time for this part. So the time for this part will be d miles at a speed of 25 miles per hour. So these many hours, plus for this part the time taken will be d plus 5 miles at a speed of 50 miles per hour. So this is the time taken to go from hostel to home. Now the question says that his return journey, this journey, took 30 minutes more than his onward journey, this journey. So this time is 30 minutes. Now this is in hours, right? Since we are talking about speed in miles per hour, so the time comes out to be in hours. So this time is 30 minutes is half an hour. So this is half an hour more than this time, which is d by 30. Okay. So now what we do is we bring all the d terms on the left hand side. So we have d by 25 minus this d by 30 plus d plus 5 by 50 is equal to half. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's multiply all these terms with LCM of 25, 30 and 50. So LCM of 25 and 50 is 50 and LCM of 50 and 30 will be how much? 300. Oh sorry, 150 rather. So let's multiply this whole equation with 150. Fine. So 150 into d upon 25, this comes out to be 6d minus 150 into d by 30 is 5d plus 150 into d plus 5 by 50. So 150 upon 5 is thrice. So thrice d plus 5 is equal to 150 into half is 75. So from here we have 60 minus 5d is plus d and plus 3d is plus 4d. And then we have 3 into 5 is 15. 15 goes on the right side and gets subtracted. 75 minus 15 is 60. So 4d is equal to 60. Hence d here comes out to be 60 by d. 60 by d is 15. So the distance d comes out to be 15, and since the units that we are using are miles per hour, so the distance will be in miles. So the total distance now becomes twice of d. The distance is 2d, right, from home to hostel. So the total distance between home and hostel is twice of 15, which is 30 miles. But the question is, what is the total distance traveled by him? Okay, what we need to calculate is the total distance traveled by him. So what he does is he first goes 2 into 15, 30 miles. Fine. While coming back, he travels 15 miles in the first part and 15 plus 5 is 20 miles in the second part. So the total distance traveled is 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 15 is 65 miles. So the total distance traveled by him is option C, 65 miles.